If I had a boat, I would sail out, take every brother and sister of mine. We'd roll in the sunshine and sleep when it's dark, hoping to find somewhere we can call home. But it's black, yeah, it's black. Oh, the water.
Hi guys! Ito yung common na passportan. Ito siya sa loob. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung camera. So they have English. So that's what you can do. ID photo. Ayan. ID photo. Cash. English ko guys para makita natin. Ayan. Pero baka hindi ako makilala ng taga-immigration. So mag-normal type na lang tayo. Although gusto ko maging beautiful.
Did you choose normal ID photo?
Yes.
Yes. Please insert.
Dito mo siya mabayad guys. Saan ba? Change pala dito. Ito pala. Ayan. Okay guys, so you have to go out now kuya. Bye bye guys, see you later. So guys, ito siya guys. Ito siya lumabas. Ayan. Para na naman akong kasi dapat iaangat yung upuan. Tapos hindi ko napansin, hindi pala nakaangat yung upuan. Kaya pala ako nakaganon. Kami kuya. Kurene? Meno takasa. Ne, kurene. Yung ice guys, dito yung ice. Pero yung ice ko nandito. Dapat nandito. Kailangan ko lang iikot yun. Sabi ko pa naman, I just said, we always use that. I just said that I usually use that, what do you call that? Machine. But I'm wrong. I was wrong. Oh, is that really bad?
I already said that.
It used to be very bad.
I already said it looked good.
All I had to do was to twist the seat. Thank you, Kuya. Kasi guys, I was thinking to change everything, to redo it, but Kuya said, "No, mommy, you look good." And I said, "Which one?" Because I took 4. I was ready to pay for another 1,000 yen. But my baby here said, "It's okay, mom. You look nice."
Look nice.
Yeah, and I said, "Which one?" Because there's 4. And he said, "All of them." Aww. And it gave me courage to choose the first one. This is the first one, actually, because of Kuya. We're going to immigration today, and you're the most unready. But because of you, I gotta have that. Oh, okay. If you say so. Nandito na kami sa immigration. Naiwan na muna sila sa car kasi tulog ang 2 bata. Kaya ako na muna ang papasok. Guys, ang bilis na tapos ng application. Ang bilis na tapos. Sarah, mommy's talking to our family.
So, is that our family?
It is, Sarah. They are virtual family. Okay, so ang bilis na tapos ng application na para siya imposible na sobrang bilis. Ang lucky ko today, guys. Kasi usually ang tagal. But today, ang bilis. Para tuloy ako nag-iisip kung talagang tapos na ba talaga ako o kailangan ko lang pumunta sa ibang number. I'm so confused right now kung tapos na ba ako o hindi. Pero sabi sa akin kiawari des. Kiawari des. Sabi niya, awari des. Sabi ko, arigatou gozaimasu. Tapos nag-thank you ako dun sa nag-guide sa amin. Sabi niya, otsukaresama deshita. So, ibig sabihin, I'm done. Pero ang bilis kasi guys eh. Siguro dahil walang problema. Lahat na-fill upan ko. Hi, Kuya! Wala, tulog ang Kuya. Anyway, nandito kami ngayon sa Mercedes-Benz. Dahil may titingnan daw ang daddy. Ewan ko kung titingnan niya. May Daddy wants to see Carla. You wanna
I don't wanna.
Okay. Ewan ko lang kung bakit tumitingin pa sa daddy. Tingin-tingin lang daw siya.
Dada, how to spell?
Iingitin niya lang yung sarili niya.
Mama, how
Kapag mag-i-extend kayo ng visa, make sure na lahat ng kailangan nyo is nandun. And yung picture, make sure na may picture kayo yung latest. Okay, yung latest talaga. Sa mga photo booth, meron naman yung pinuntahan ko kanina. And then, kung nakalimutan yung gupitin, okay lang naman sila naman yung magka-cut naman sila. They don't mind naman about it. Sila yung magka-cut for you. So, ibigay nyo lang yung buong picture.
Mama, shirts were bacon clothes.
So, you don't have
Bacon clothes.
so you don't have to worry about it. Bago kayo pumunta, fill upan nyo na lahat. Para pagdating doon, wala nang gagawin. Hihintay ka na lang. Okay? Tapos kung may tatanungin sila, be ready to answer. Kalma lang. Although, nakakakaba talaga sila. Yung mga immigration officers, pag tinanong ka nila, tingnan mo sila sa mata. Answer. Yun. Kasi, mahilig silang mag-cross-exam. Parang ano, tinatanong ka lang, ini-interrogate ka na pala. Hindi naman. Para namang scary. Pero parang ganun eh. Yun na yo. The next car mo kimatanda mo. Dati wa
G シリーズに見てみたら意外とそんなに大きくなる。
あ、そうなんだ。How many seat?
ちょっと5?
5だけど狭いの?
思ったよりも
Of course, good. What?
The last one to the last.
Baby, it's okay, baby. It's okay.
Can you
Look at mommy. I'm your mommy.
put your flag?
It's okay. It's okay.
Mommy, I want you to search for mask,
Mask.
Spider-Man,
Spider-Man.
for hands,
Eh? Mask, Spider-Man hand? What are you got? Gloves, di siya.
and gloves. Sorry.
So, feel niya kasi. Feel kasi ni daddy yung, ano, I mean, ano bang? Dad! Daddy, what design is that? What design? What model?
G, get in there.
Huh?
Get in
G
there.
series? G series. Okay.
Mama, actually, Spider-Man gloves.
It will work, I think so.
The joint with the
初めて乗った。
Not na, do.
だからその感覚としてはこんなもんかすっごいでかいと思ったけど。
あ、そうなんだ。Because
There's a card!
どうしようかね今からなんか軽く食べる？あ、じゃあマミが6時には食べるのか。
いいけど、だってベビーたちなんか教えてるから食べさせよう。でもドーナツケーキ食べたいんだよね。ドーナツ。
味噌ランス？
私はドーナツ食べたいな。
Okay.
Papa,
We are here in Yurakucho to get Krispy Kreme, guys. I'm so excited. Kasi I'm craving.
ない？
もう一個がない。
ね、なんだよ。
一個だけあった。
あ、1個ないのはありえないだからちゃんと見てて。
見ようか。
Destiny, excuse me, Destiny. Don't hurt Rihanna. Let her sleep. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Eh,だからだから見ればわかるからさ。見ないでないっていうのはやめてほしいな。Oh my gosh, brown and pink. Okay, sit down. So we can go to the Krispy Kreme. Sit down, baby. Sit down, baby. Sit down. Sit down.
Krispy Kreme.
Okay, dali.
Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme.
Krispy Kreme.
Do you know what I'm saying?
これわかる？今までの
It was hot dog.
今までの
How about this?
かわいそうだけど。
ああ。
Cupcake. Like this.
Ano ba? Sige na.
Mango.
Hantay ba?
Gila. Sudah.
Hantay dyan! Hantay dyan. Oh! I love it here. Not my favorite, but I love to see the, ano, yung paligid niya. Or siguro lang talaga, I just love the nature.
Is there an elevator?
Yeah, but we don't have to use that.
What is this?
Kasi minsan ang haba ng pila dito, guys. The last time we were here, oh my goodness. Ala, may Biscoff donut sila. I love Biscoff, but I don't, oh yeah. I don't think I can eat that. That would be so sweet, the kanane. Anyway, let's go. Let's go, baby. Pull. Pull. Okay. Up. How about me? Yeah.
I want to see the donuts
Okay.
made.
Wow, looks so
I'll
yummy.
get a seat.
Number 8.
Have you seen that, right?
Yummy. Yummy ice cream.
Just right there.
Okay.
Can you open the door for me?
Okay, wait a minute.
Daddy,
何それ
ice it.
アイスなんだ
I'll try donuts with ice cream. Donuts with ice
Yeah.
おい今日は晩はあれでいいですか
cream.
インド
Iyo. Doko, daddy, doko.
そのジムの近くのいつも行くところが
Okay, yay! Iyo. Si daddy, guys, may
Ne-
boxing siya today.
ジムにね
Hmm.
一緒にやってるネパール人がいるの
Hoy.
ネパール人もいるのね、そいつがいつも
What did you eat, Gala?
予約してくれてすごい安い、
Honto. Do, ita ko to aru no?
うん
Don't come to you.
ネパールのその料理は美味しいの？食べたことない。
一緒一緒
うん。
アメリカだ
うん。Ano pa lang siya, guys? 4. Pero dahil taglamig na, kaya mabilis lang yung, maikli lang yung araw namin dito. Ganun naman talaga kapag taglamig. Ngayon, guys, nasa Ginza tayo. Come to the... Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon. Bumaba kami sa itong park na to dahil gustong puntahan ng mga bata. What are you guys doing? Hindi ko alam kung sinong bata sa kanila guys. Si Kuya Holly isip bata. Diyos ko Lord, ala, nag-away na naman. Doshta na! Agag, nag-lonely na si baby. Doshta! Pero gusto naman niya makipaglaro kay kuya niya. Doshta! Be careful, yo. La 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 la. Ah, la 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 la. Yay! That was easy. That was easy. That was easy. Love you.
May, I am running out of battery.
Cover your head. It's cold, Dakara. It's cold. Cover your head. It's cold. Are? Atsoy no? So mamaya pupunta ng boxing si Daddy, di ba? Kasi nag-join kasi yan ng yung buhok ko, sorry. Nag-join kasi si Daddy ng boxing club. 'Yon. Once in a month yung ano nila. Mga kasama niya lang din sa industry. Not necessarily sa work, but sa industry. Gustong-gusto ko kasi yung nakikipag-socialize si Daddy eh. Yun, mas pabor ko yung may ganyan siya. Alam niyo ba na ako nag-ano sa kanya na sumali ka sa mga ganyan yung grupo-grupo. Mga friends kasi ni Daddy, well, mostly professional na mga colleagues niya or mga old friend niya. Pero hindi kasi sila, ang gusto ko outside sana ng industry. Ibang mga tao naman, di ba? Ibang environment naman, yung gano'n. So today, kasama niya si Kuya, right? You're gonna join Daddy, right? First time nilang magkasama. Kasi last time daw, ay nakita siyang parang kaedad ni Kuya. Yun, kaya gusto niya isama si Kuya. Which is, you like to go to also? Or what? You like to go to? Kasi si Kuya din, guys, gusto niya din yung pagkikickboxing. Kami laging naglalakad, guys. Si Daddy at saka si Serat, laging magka-partner yan. Ito naman kami. Ito naman yung laging ka-partner. Ito naman yung Mama's boy. Are you Mama's boy? Are you proud of being Mama's boy or you don't like it? Dochi da yo. Nani, dochi?
I'm proud.
You're proud? You're proud. Oh. What's that, baby? That's very cute.
School ni ataro, koko paint the paper, patang.
Patang, sorry. Okay.
Yes.
Ine. Sarah, are you Daddy's girl? Are you Mommy's girl? Kuya's girl? Kuya, mitte kore. Aloe vera. We have this.
Look at this. Look. Bye.
Nag-lista muna sa Daddy. Kuya, money. Don't put money on your pocket, kuya. It's a wrong set. Don't do it. 100円ない。
いや、10円。コインロッカー10円。
10円。Let's see ね。
コインロッカー。
OK だ。そうだ。1円。Where are you whispering? I'm not whispering, but my voice is small.
I got scared. I forgot.
No, don't forget about it.
I broke here, Kada. When I close it, it'll be so stinky. I will have to be empty. That's why I said that when I whispered.
Okay. Okay. Shira, don't do that. Kasi nag-ano sila na 100 yen kasi yung locker is 100 yen. Konnichiwa. Gambate, kuya. Ay, onegaishimasu. Daddy's turn. Pasikat na siya sa kuha, guys. Papugi siya, Daddy. Kuya. Guys, tapos na sila mag-boxing, guys. It was good. 2 hours. 2 hours. 2 hours, yeah. Gusto ko talaga yung active. Nakaka-inspire. Gusto mo din may gawin. Gusto ko kasi yung active kaming lahat. Kaya ang dami kong pina-learn kay Kuya Holly. Pero, siya yung mag-decide kung ayaw niya, di ba? Pinag-tennis ko siya, pinaganito ko siya. Pero ang gusto niya is kickboxing. So, babalik siya ng kickboxing dahil nasanay na siya sa life niya sa middle school. Kasi nung tumigil siya saglit kasi naging busy siya sa school. Sabi niya sa akin, gusto niya daw bumalik. Gusto ko yun, active silang lahat. Oh yeah! Active kaming lahat, actually, kaming lahat. Gusto ko yun, ayoko yung lousy. Although hindi naman ako super active. What is that, my love? Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa restaurant. It's Nepali Indian restaurant. So, I'm so excited to eat. I'm so hungry. Are you hungry? First time kong kumain ng turmeric rice. Let's see.
Em teus braços.